I'm a big fan of analogue dentistry. I mean, it works and it feels so safe and familiar. But if I'm honest, I'm worried about being left behind, that perhaps my patients and I are missing out on the treatment options and cost savings that are offered only by digital dentistry. Does that sound like you too? If it does, I'm happy to let you know that help is on the way. I'm Peter Norton, and in the next episode of ScheinTV, I'll be joined by Dr. Kaisen Sumana, a dentist from Melbourne, who will talk us through his journey into digital dentistry, particularly 3D printing. The 3D printing is no longer just for techies and dental gurus. It's a technique that's available and accessible to everyday dentists like you and me, and it's something we should know about. Don't worry, this episode will not just be a vague synopsis with some pretty pictures. We'll be getting a nuts and bolts demonstration, a recipe if you will, of some of the exciting capabilities of 3D printing in dentistry. Dr. Sumana will also provide his insights into the benefits that digital dentistry has offered his practice and his patients. So if you're ready to stay up to date and explore what's possible, join us on Thursday the 22nd of November at 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time, when ScheinTV presents 3D Printing, a recipe for success. You can join the event via the Henry Schein homepage or Facebook Live. As always, you can contribute comments and questions in real time, and you'll be eligible to claim 1 hour of scientific CPD. So mark your diary for Thursday the 22nd of November at 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Daylight Savings Time, when we discuss 3D printing, a recipe for success on ScheinTV.